Just ate authentic Indian sweets and more right here at the new Bikanervala in Thousand Oaks, Westlake Village. And let me tell you, if you're looking for the true taste of India without having to hop on a plane, you need to hear this. I mean, they offer takeout and delivery, which is great. But we decided to actually walk in and get the full experience. And where did we start? With the single most essential Indian street food, Pani Puri. If you've never had it, you're seriously missing out, and it is a must try. Pani Puri is this incredible snack where you can take a crispy and hollow puri, fill it with spiced potato and chickpea mix, and then drench it with this refreshingly tangy, spicy, and sweet flavored water, the pani. You pop the whole thing in your mouth, and it's this explosion of flavor and texture. It's refreshing, fun to eat, and the perfect start to a culinary adventure. After the little street food starter, we dove into their massive platter. This is where the real education began. We truly experienced the depth of Indian cuisine. On the platter, you have all the essential supporting players. Garlic naan for scooping, fluffy basmati rice, because let's be honest, rice is life, and crisp papadum, which is kind of like a light, thin Indian chip. But the stars of the show, the curry, we had the creamy rich paneer butter masala with chunks of soft Indian cheese, then the earthy slow-cooked dal makhani, which is lentils and kidney beans simmered in a buttery sauce. We also got to try the sarson ka saag, this vibrant, authentic spinach puree, to cut through all that richness. A little side of cooling raita, that's a seasoned yogurt and some flavorful mixed mango pickle. It was a complete meal, with a little sweet treat on the side to give us a taste of. And what was next? Dessert, of course. You can't come to Bikanervala, a place famous for its sweets, and not try them all. We went for a little bit of everything. First, the coconut kesar barfi, a dense melt-in-your-mouth
Like the Filipino kind of coconut.
sweet made with coconut, milk solids, and saffron. Then, we had the Malai Gulab Jamun. Now, you know Gulab Jamun. Those sweet fried milk balls.
It's a different way to eat gulab jamun. I like it. It's like 11 steps up. Elevating your waist to eat gulab jamun.
Right? Well, this is the next level. Malai means cream, so the fried gulab jamun balls are actually stuffed with a sweet, creamy filling. It's rich, decadent, and totally changed my perspective on the classic dessert. We made sure to try a little of everything, and every single bite was an authentic Indian sweet treat.
Dry fruit pistachio laddu.
So whether you're a total newbie curious about Pani Puri or a longtime fan for authentic Malai Gulab Jamun, the new Bikanervala in Thousand Oaks is serving up the goods. From refreshing street food to savory complex curries and those delicious, truly authentic sweets, it's a fantastic culinary journey. Go check them out and experience the true taste of India right here in Westlake Village, Thousand Oaks.
I think you know what to do.
Real quick, are you enjoying this video? If so, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified about all our future videos. Also, hit the like button and comment 8 down below to share with your friends and family.
And remember, friends,
Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters.
see you in the next video. See you in the next video.